Good day guys, maayong adlaw guys. Napunta karon dire guys, natay ayong refrigerator guys. Stock up ni guys nya ang iyahang board wa pod defective na sad. Tapos atong testingan upandar ning board compressor stock up na jud guys. So ato ang gi-pull out na guys, pull out na to na guys. Yan, stock up compressor to guys. Yung board nya guys, ito pinull out na rin natin guys. Pinalitan natin guys ng old compressor. Ayan guys, old compressor 134A guys na compressor. Then ito R600 yan guys. So tayo, convert natin yung ref ito 134A yung refrigerant nya guys. Yan, ito yung mga gamit natin guys. Home service tayo guys, home service repair guys. Ito mayroon tayong 134A tank, yan gauge, yan vacuum guys. Yung compressor guys, yan ang ginawa nating vacuum guys. Yan, blue torch lang guys yung natin pang solda. Yan, ito yung compressor na ipinalit natin guys. Yan, convert to overload and relay lang guys. Then ito yung amperahe 0.65 guys, 0.65 lang yan guys. Yan, 0.65 amperes yung compressor guys. Ito, yan yung convert natin. Yung model nya guys, model number HRF IBD 20H guys. Tingnan natin guys yung sa loob guys, malamig na ba guys. Ayan guys, lumamig na guys, nag-yellow na siya guys. Ito guys, ayan, okay, malamig na rin to guys. Ayan, ito yung convert natin kasi yan ang gumana yung compressor. Stock up na kasi guys, buti na lang yung may-ari guys is mayroon silang old na refrigerator na sira din. Ayun, yan, kinonvert natin yung kinuha natin yung testing natin, pero ngayon gumagana pa yung compressor. So nilagay natin dito kasi ito yung latest nila na refrigerator guys, latest. Ito yung higher, yan, ito yung pinulat natin na compressor guys, stock up. Yan, ito board, convert na natin guys. Yan, convert natin to hindi na inverter, pero tipid pa man din guys kasi yung amperahe lang niya guys 0.67 amperes guys. Naglalaro sa 0.66, 0.67. Yung ito mainit na rin to guys. Mainit na yung condenser filter guys. Ito mainit na rin guys. Mainit na rin. Tama lang din ito kasi hindi naman to okay lang to. Yung compressor walang tunog guys, silencer. Yan, ito okay, mainit na rin to guys. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.